Hello guys, long time no see. It's been a few months since I last spoke to you. I think the last time I posted something was in March. So last week we went on a little getaway to France, just us, the car and our little tent. And I thought it would be nice to take you along, let you know I am still alive and give you an update about my life and what's been going on. Hi everyone, it's evening now. We walked a lot and we went to a very beautiful lake and just walked around, and it's very peaceful and quiet here and a lot of nature and very picturesque as always when it comes to France. But yeah, I just want to sit down and give you a small update about my life, about what's been going on and why I haven't been making new videos. Yeah, I've been just very busy with work, so I don't really find the time to make videos, edit these videos and share videos online. Also, I feel like I don't really have that much to share. Yeah, sometimes I also feel like with social media and making these YouTube videos, I want to be in a right headspace, and I also want to make sure that I enjoy making these videos. But when I'm busy, when I have, my own things going on, I don't really feel the need to share that much. So that's why I haven't been sharing that much. I guess I've just been busy with my own life and just living life. So besides work and life, one very exciting update has been the trip to China. Yeah, I'm very excited to share with you that the final itinerary is now ready. So it's 16 days in total in China. We will travel to different places. We will first start in Shanghai, then we will go to Zhangjiajie, then we go to Chongqing, we go to Chengdu, we go to Guilin, and then we end the trip in Shenzhen. It's still far away, it's still like 1.5 years from now on, but it would be so amazing if I can somehow make this possible, if I can somehow create this experience for you guys and show you around in China. A few people already signed up, but it's important that at least 10 people sign up and join the trip, otherwise it cannot go through. So if you're still interested, please let me know. You can fill in the link down below. If you have questions or you want additional information, also let me know. Also, if you want to join with a friend or with your partner or with your sister, that's totally fine. I totally understand that it can be quite intimidating to join a group of people you don't know. So yes, if you want to bring a friend, your partner, please do so. So yes, I'm pretty excited about the Roots trip for next year. I'm pretty excited and I just really hope that it can go through, that we can continue make this beautiful trip, because I'm sure it will be amazing. And I just hope that we can find a group of at least 10 people. So I guess that's been one of the most exciting things in my life right now, trying to make this group trip to China happen and see it slowly become reality. If you want to receive more information like the price or a detailed itinerary, you can DM me via Instagram and I will be happy to respond. Another exciting thing that will take place soon is, of course, our wedding in August. And time is going by so fast. I cannot believe we will get married in 2.5 months from now on. Crazy. Everything has been arranged and I just can't wait. Lately, I've been also putting myself out there, meeting new people, go out and explore more and be more open to new experiences. Learning more about myself, because I do notice that the older I get, the more I start to understand myself. My own thought patterns, which in turn create my own behavior patterns. Where they come from, how and why they started, and why some are more self-destructive than I would like to admit. Yes, self-sabotage is a real thing. I also notice that now everything in my life is more stable. I simply have more time to reflect, and I'm starting to crave this sense of community and belonging. I start to crave connection above all. I think online it's easy to form an opinion of someone and to create a persona, but offline things are often very different. I might come across as someone who is very outgoing, not shy at all, and not afraid to speak her mind, but reality might be different. Online, I find it easy to share personal things with millions of people. It somehow feels safe because there is a distance, literally. But letting down my guard when I meet people in real life, new people, often for some reason scares me. I think in the past I built this wall to protect myself, only letting a very limited number of people in. But as I get older, I realize that this wall does not protect me anymore. It rather prevents me from experiencing and growing. And I hope it all makes sense. Anyway, I have been making efforts to break this wall, as cliche as it might sound, do new things, meet new people. And since March, I've been going to Chinese school classes at my local university. I've been putting myself out there more. I hope that the next time I give you an update, I'm still out there, still exploring, growing, and above all, not taking everything too seriously. And in the meantime, I wish you all the best and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!